How to create a new account with the same phone number on TikTok. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible for you to create another TikTok account with the same phone number. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. Now, once your TikTok is open, in order to create a new account, what you will have tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. And from here, you just tap on your profile name and you will have an option to add another account. So if you try to add a same phone number that has been used on any of your other accounts, then it will say there is an error in creating a new account as the number is already in use for a certain account. But what you can do is if you want to create a new account, you can either continue with your email ID, your Facebook, or your Google. And if you're using your iOS device, you will also have an option to continue with Apple ID. So that is the fix for this problem. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.